Alright, so we're here to talk about the Parallax Propscope USB oscilloscope. We'll get into what an oscilloscope is in the next video, but for now we're just going to give you the brief introduction of the Propscope. You can see it comes in a small box and it's USB driven with software. So you're going to need a laptop and a available USB port. This will help you with your electronics projects. It could be anything. Since our site caters to robotics, this is what we'll be using it for, and we'll probably be testing it on robotics hardware. So let's just open up the box and see what it's about. Okay, so it starts off with the typical Parallax printed out manual, which is also available online. Okay, these are usually very clear, very concise instructions. So we don't need to go into them right now. We'll go into it as we start to set it up. Let's just move that off over here. Okay. Next up, we have your standard USB cable. So let's just move that there. Then we have the actual, looks like the prods. These are actually going to be used when you go to test. So you have two of them and you plug them in and that'll give you your reading for your oscilloscope. Then we have a couple anti-static bags. We have two. So let me start off with the small one. They're like Ziploc bags, so I'm not going to have to break it open like usual. So what this looks like is this is where the prods are going to be connected to. These cables will be connected into these coaxial type connectors. I'm not sure where this is going to be connected just yet, but we'll find out when we go to start using this. Now the next one actually looks like the main device. This one also looks like we have to plug something into it. I'm not sure if how this is going to be, but it's got a USB port here, and it's got some kind of connector here, which maybe it looks like something like this would go there, but I'm not sure if that is correct or not. So I'm not going to make any assumptions just yet. So don't go by what I just said. And that's it. Let's see what's inside of. Let's put these away. I'm going to look inside of this because it looks like there's more stuff in there that we need to pay attention to. Again, be careful when you're handling this stuff. This is all, especially when it's in an anti-static bag, you want to be extremely cautious with it. Looks like it's shielded, so you don't have to be too careful, but with the other part, you do. So if you're not familiar with handling electronic components, I definitely suggest grounding yourself. Okay. So let's come back. Let's put all these things away, and let's see what's inside of this here. So we're just going to take this out. It looks like, there's two types of connectors here. These go down so you can clamp on. They also come with alligator clips for each one. And here are the coaxial connections, female, or male, sorry. And then what else do we have in here? It looks like we have some tools. I'm not sure what they're for just yet. Basically looks like some front end caps and something else here with some green spacers of some sort, and an assembly drawing. Again, it looks a little different than what Parallax usually does for us, but basically tells you the accessories, low frequency probe compensation, and assembly drawing. So this is probably just to help us construct these cables, which seem to be constructed for us already. And that's it. So as you can see, there's not a lot to this kit. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is a high-grade plastic, so it looks like we're going to be storing this in the future here. So let's not break it too much. And that's it. Now, on our next videos, we'll be showing you how to actually configure this on your computer and get the ball rolling, and what it's going to be used for, as well as what an oscilloscope is used for. Take care.